Hello, I'm going to show you how to load gaskets or block families into the WWGlass family. To do this, first thing you do is you need to load WWGlass. Sorry, you need to open WWGlass. So I'm going to show you where to find it. Mine, I already have a recent history for it here, but on the server, it's actually in S or the equivalent, Revit, WW Standard Library, curtain panels, public, and then WWGlass.rfa. Open this file. And when I open it, I'm going to explain kind of what you're doing exactly in regards to reloading families into this family. But basically, the block and gasket families, which are detail item families, need to be loaded into this family for it to have them inside of this family. So if you go into your project browser on the side here, open up detail items, you can see that it has all of the gaskets, blocks, other miscellaneous items, etc., that would go into this glass family. Basically anything you could use for the parameter values, they need to be here. And the parameter values, I mean, are the gaskets and blocks, etc. So here are some of the parameters. For example, the gasket top exterior. If you hit this drop down, it'll give you options to insert the gasket at the top exterior for any of the detail item families that you have loaded into the project. But if, sorry, loaded into this family, not the project. So if any of the gaskets or blocks that you need aren't loaded into this family, then you're not going to be able to use them. And for example, if you're using GG3, it's going to throw an error message. So to actually load something in, you're going to open the family you want to load into the WWGlass family. And it's going to need to be a detail item family. Let's see if I have anything on my desktop. Let's see. Do I have anything? What is this test one? So I'm just going to load this test one. Let's see, later version of Revit. Let's try, let's see. I could do this. I'm going to load something from the project on my desktop, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and what I did is I loaded a gasket family, a detail item gasket family from the server onto my desktop. I just called it test gasket, and I'm going to open it. And there's one thing you have to do before you load this family into the WWGlass family, and you have to uncheck this shared checkbox, because families with this shared value checked cannot be loaded into other detail item families. Actually, whatever kind of family the WWGlass is, I don't remember. But these detail item families with the shared checked cannot be loaded into those kind of families. I'll try to load it into WWGlass. It's going to complain. See, look, while loading test gasket, shared detail components cannot be used in 3D model families. So to get around that, like I was mentioning, you have to go here, unclick the shared, and now you can load it into your WWGlass family. And as you see, you have test gasket in your detail items in this project browser over here. And when you go in to any of your shared, what are they called, nested, whatever they're called, parameters, like the top gasket, top exterior, whatever, you can see test gasket as one of the options for the values. And that's what you do.